Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with another video, and this is going to be a swatch video of my Glitterbels acrylics. I have about 20 of their acrylics from their line. So yeah, I just decided to go ahead and do this swatch video because I did have a few people asking me to swatch these products for them. So yeah, before we go ahead and get started, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notifications so that you'll be notified whenever your girl posts a new video. Okay, so let's just go ahead and get started. I am going to start off with the glitters first. So this first color that I am going to swatch for y'all is called Prince Flake. It's from their Flake collection of glitters. Really pretty. It has really pretty holographic glitters in it, really chunky, and just overall a really pretty accent blue glitter. Now I am going to let y'all know that the chunkier glitters are a little bit harder to work with. You have to make sure that your brush is super duper wet. And the next color that I'm going to swatch for y'all is called Hot Flake. It's pretty much the same concept of the last one that I showed y'all, just with a pink undertone instead of blue. So this next color that I'm going to show y'all is also from the Flake collection, but this one is a green one and it's in Apple Flake. Once again, the same concept, has those really chunky flakes and glitters in it. Really pretty, but it's just a really pretty apple green. So this next one is called Seafoam Flake. Once again, it's from the same collection, but this one is purple. It kind of threw me off with the name though, because it's called Seafoam and it's purple. But yeah, y'all get it. It's just a really pretty like grape or lavender like purple glitter. Okay, so that is it for the Flake collection. This next color right here is called Earth, and it's from their Iridescent series. It's this really pretty like iridescent glitter. This one has actually holographic glitters, not holographic, hexagon glitters in it, and it has more so of a white base, but it reflects like blues and purples. It's super duper pretty. So this next one is called Jupiter, which is also from the Iridescent series. Now that I'm thinking about it, I think all of them from this series have like planet names. But back to the swatch, this is pretty much like the same concept as the color Earth. This one I just feel like has more of a blue hue to it. If you guys can't tell, I feel like I see more blue in the glitters in this one than the Earth color. Up is the color Venus, which is also from the Iridescent series, once again with the planet names, but this one is a little bit different than Earth and Jupiter. Those were a lot similar, but this one you can actually notice the difference in it. This one has more of a silver undertone to it. The hexagon and like big chunky glitters have like a silver, what's the word that I'm looking for, like they reflect silver instead of an actual color. So okay, so I only have 2 more glitters left and then I'm done. This next glitter is called Desert Crush, and it is the one that I have on my nails right now. This one kind of reminds me of like a camel or a nude like glitter, but with like a gold undertone. It's so different. I promise I have never seen a glitter like this. I fell in love when I saw the swatch of it on the website. Just so pretty, and I think it would be perfect as an accent nail. Now for the final glitter, this one is called Copper Crush. Once again, this one is from the same collection or whatever as the Desert Crush one, but it's like a copper-like color. When I tell y'all, this was so different, but yet so pretty to me. This is another glitter that I haven't seen anything like. It really reminded me of like a brown glitter when I saw it online, and that's what drew my attention to it. Like when I turn the swatch over, you guys are gonna see it's bomb. It's so pretty. Now we are on to the cover colors. I actually purchased 3 from Glitterbels, and this one is called Pinkerbell cover. It's a really pretty like light pinkish nude color, perfect for using for ombre. But yeah, so I have this one, and then I have another one that I'm gonna swatch in this video for y'all. I did purchase another one by them, but it actually did not come in the mail. When I placed my order and I got it in the mail, they said that it was on back order, so it would be shipping out within 7 days. I have yet to get it, but yeah, this is a really pretty light pink nude light. So the other Glitterbels cover color that I got was called Pink Rose Cover, which is this one right here, and the name explains it to a T. It is like the perfect dusty rose, and I just feel like this one would be perfect for ombreing as well. Like it has that purplish hue to it, but it still has like the pinky nude thing going on. It's really pretty. I can't wait to use this for ombre. So now we're finally into the regular acrylics. This one right here is called Blue Pastel. And when I tell y'all, this is like the perfect baby blue acrylic. It's super creamy, super buttery, not streaky at all. Like I love the consistency of this acrylic. It is bomb. Now this next color I didn't care too much for once I actually got it in the mail because it has a shimmer to it. This color is actually called Coral Sunrise. When I tell y'all it is the perfect coral color, I would have loved it if it was just strictly matte or creamy, but it has a sheen to it, which I hate. Like sheen in acrylics or nail polish just give me like grandma vibes, and I'm not with that. So yeah, and also the consistency of this one was a little bit weird. It may have been because it had that shimmer to it. I don't know, but I did not really like this acrylic. Now this next color has to be one of my favorites, and it's called Flamingo Feather. When I tell y'all, pink is already my favorite color, and when I came across this pink and saw how bomb it was, I had to get it. It's just like your perfect hot summer pink. Like you cannot go wrong with this color. It does marble just a little bit, but it's not anything that you can't work with or manage. So next up we have the color Creme Brulee, which I feel like is the perfect name for this one as well. This is a really pretty like muted or nude color. If you don't really like color too much, this will be the perfect one for you. It really reminds me of the color of oatmeal, if that makes sense to y'all. It's just really pretty. I love nudes and like neutral colors, so this was right up my alley. Here I am with my pinks again, y'all. I can never stay away from the pinks. This one right here is called Salmon Pink, and this one has the perfect name too. It's so crazy that these names are like head on. But it's the perfect salmon pink color, like a mixture of a pinkish orange, but a little bit more on the pink side. Like perfect for summer and springtime. Absolutely love this color. So this next color is called Violet Skies, and I had such high hopes for it, y'all, because when I opened it, this looked like the perfect lavender or violet color, but when you swatch it, it's, oh my gosh, it just made me so sad. You guys are gonna see how bad it marbles. Like, I tried to move it around on the swatch stick so that y'all can see. This just went all bad. Like, when you actually swatch it on a nail, it doesn't marble as bad, but the fact that it even marbles just saddens me so much, y'all. Like, I had such high hopes for this color, and I tried to move it around some more to see if it would move away, but it didn't. This next color was another one I didn't really care too much for once I actually got it, and it's called Dazzling Highlighter Orange. The reason why I didn't like this one either is because it has a really slight glitter to it. This one I like better than the Coral Sunrise, but I still don't really care for it because it's not like just straight creamy or matte or whatever the case is. It does have like a really slight glitter to it. If it didn't, this would be like the perfect tangerine orange, which I thought it was gonna be, but it has glitters in it, so I doubt that I'll actually use this pretty often. Who knows, a client may actually like this. We'll have to see. Last but not least, we have the perfect fall color. Like, this just screams fall to me, and this color is called Olive Branch. Like, it is literally the perfect olive color. I have another like olive like color or acrylic, but it's nowhere near as pretty as this one. Like I said, I love neutrals or nudes or anything that's in the browns, greens to nude family. I love them all, but yeah, this color is super duper pretty. But that is it for my swatches today, y'all. If you have any questions about any of the products that I've shown y'all, don't hesitate to comment down below or send me a message. Here is an overall look of all of the swatches. And yeah, before we leave, don't forget to click that subscribe button and turn your post notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. And I will talk to y'all later. Bye, y'all. Thank you for watching.